Hello guys. In today's video we will show you how to set up your NUTV4-S QUAD system. You will find two boxes inside when you open your NUTV4-S QUAD system master box. The NUTV4 QUAD box. The NSub2 box. First, in the NUTV4 QUAD box you will find the NUTV4 amplifier box. The NUTV4 Bluetooth controller box, and two pairs of N4 speakers. Inside the NUTV4 amplifier box, you will find the NUTV4 amplifier, 4 speaker wires, and 4 sets of mounting inserts. Inside the NUTV4 Bluetooth controller box, you will have the NUTV4 Bluetooth controller, power cable, mounting screws, aux cable, and zip ties. Move on to the NSub2 box. Inside you will find the BA1 amplifier box, the NSub2 subwoofer, clamps and smart handle. In the BA1 amplifier box, you will have the BA1 amplifier, high level to RCA cables and mounting screws. Before we hook everything up, note that the BA1 amplifier's crossover is already preset to get the most out of your subwoofer, so please do not make any changes. The BA1 amplifier can overpower the NSub subwoofer and might cause your subwoofer voice coil to be burnt. The burnt voice coil isn't covered by the 1-year warranty. Now let me show you how to hook it up correctly. Let's start with the NUTV4 QUAD. Connect the red wire of the power cable to the positive plus 12 volt battery post. Connect the black cable of the power cable to the minus 12 volt battery post. Then connect the power cable's yellow connector to the amplifier's yellow connector. Take the NUTV4 Bluetooth controller and connect it to the amplifier. Before we move on, press the blue button on the power cable, and you should see the blue LED light. Then press and hold the controller's power on button and ensure it turns on. If not, recheck your wiring. Moving on to the N4 speakers. The amplifier has 4 channels and each speaker should be connected to one of the channels using black and white speaker wires. Ensure correct polarity. The black wire should be connected to the color with a black line wire, and the white wire should be connected to the all-color wire. On the other side, the black cable should go to the black terminal of the speaker, and the white wire should go to the red terminal of the speaker. Before we move on and hook up the second amplifier and the subwoofer, finish connecting all 4 speakers. Turn on the Bluetooth controller and connect to the NOM Bluetooth. Play some tunes and ensure all 4 speakers work as they should. If not, recheck your wiring. Take the second amplifier, the BA1 amplifier. Connect the red wire of the amplifier to the positive plus 12 volt battery post. Connect the black cable of the amplifier to the minus 12 volt battery post. The blue remote R wire should be connected to the accessory post so that it will see power only when the key is turned on, or connect it to the power source using the rocker switch you have in your package. If you choose to use the rocker switch, this is how you should do it. Take the spade connector and crimp it to the blue wire of the BA1 amplifier. Connect the black cable of the rocker switch to the minus 12 volt battery or accessory post. Connect the red wire of the rocker switch to the positive plus 12 volt battery or accessory post. Then, connect the blue remote wire of the amplifier to the rocker switch. Now when you turn on the rocker switch, the BA1 amplifier will see power and be turned on. When you turn off the rocker switch, the BA1 amplifier will be turned off. That way, you ensure the amplifier doesn't always see power and kill your battery. Now take the high level to RCA cables and tap into the speaker wires. Connect directly to the speaker wires ends where they connect to the speaker terminal. The white cables should go to one speaker, and the gray cables should go to the second speaker. The white with gray line and gray with gray line should be connected to the black negative terminal. The all white and all gray cables should be connected to the speaker's positive terminal. The other side of the cable should go to the female RCA input of the BA1 amplifier. The last thing we need to do is hook up the subwoofer. The black wire of the subwoofer should go for the white with a black line wire of the amplifier. Connect the red wire of the subwoofer to the all-white wire of the amplifier. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below or contact us at service@noamaudio.com. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.